From extreme off-road adventures to demanding work environments, we build vehicles designed to conquer every challenge. With advanced manufacturing facilities and strict quality control, every vehicle is built with precision and passion. Powerful engines, durable chassis, and intelligent designs provide confidence in every ride. Whether it is mud, sand, mountains, or forests, our vehicles deliver outstanding performance in challenging environments. Every component is carefully selected and tested to ensure durability, safety, and long service life. We support distributors and dealers worldwide with reliable products, competitive solutions, and professional service. Join us and explore new possibilities together.